Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the volume does not contain a recognized file system message on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is the check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. The third solution will be to update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select check for updates. And the last one is obviously to update the driver. So on the same page, go to advanced options, click on optional updates, expand all driver updates, select them, and then click on download and install. This is how you can update all the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.